First drive 2024 Ferrari Purosangue.
I feel like this came out very quickly. I don't know.
Well, it's not out. You're not getting one of these right now.
I mean, like they've teased it, and now it's kind of like
test
in the
drives.
wild.
Yeah. Well, they got to get those pre-orders going, so they at least have to get a couple of units to send around, so they can get articles like this, and then the dudes can get their orders in.
And they're driving it in the snow.
2027, a Ferrari in the snow. Listen, the SUV business for these brands, you had Lambo was selling the Urus, and Ferrari's like, we can do that. Mm-hmm. We don't mind. We'll sell a couple of these units, and this is what people actually want. They want four seats in there. Look at that
SUV.
big brakes. They want a trunk. Put all the hockey gear in there. Look at this.
What do you think, huh?
You ever notice when you do the car video, you do the slow walk? You ever notice that?
Yeah.
You do the slow walk. Look how slow. And the hand gestures.
Like a baby.
Yeah. It's got to be a slow kind of walk around.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. We got more Kirkland Drip Fund from A1G. You got $44 now for 2 logo fleece crew neck sweatshirts. I feel like we're both going to be dripped out over here.
It's very specific.
We're both going to be...
Hey, I totally wear it. I think it's great.
Well, we're going to be on the show with it, right? We just got to track it down. So Ferrari resisted doing the SUV, but only for so long. And then they came with definitely the funkiest name in the game, Purosangue. It means pure blood.
Oh, no.
Damn, dude.
I didn't know what it meant.
Let me get that pure blood. Oof. That's heavy. I like it.
You like it, right?
Yeah, I like it.
I think it's one of the best looking SUVs.
I like it. Like, whatever. It costs $1 billion, but I like it. I'm kidding. It's like, but it is.
This is $400K.
It's coming up on $1 million. You want to go CAD. It's a bit ridiculous.
Yeah. Honestly,
but it looks like fun, and it's a Ferrari, and I know some people are mad about it. They're saying, you can't have a Ferrari SUV, stop it. And then they're also saying, why is this thing not electric yet? Because Ferrari said, we're going to be so electric so soon. But I guess this thing was already in the works for so long, and it will eventually be electric. Sure. Nonetheless, I think, as far as, if you just think of it not as a Ferrari, and you just look at it as a modern SUV.
Yeah.
And just take the badges off, and you just think about the shape, and you think about the look, I think you can get into it. It kind of reminds me of my Taycan, just a little bit taller, and with the hatchback on it.
It's curvy.
It got some haunches on it.
Yeah.
I could take something like that over to Jolly Bee.
Hey, why not?
I could do it.
Here's a different color.
I don't know. Ferrari, you kind of got to get in red, don't you, Will, or no?
I like it in red.
If it's a Ferrari, I don't know what the rules are, but if it's a Ferrari, I think you might have to get it in red.
Yeah, $400K though.
Purosangue.
Do you have to, reserve it?
Oh my God!
In a way that Ferrari.
Oh my God! You have no idea. You get your spot in line.
Oh, Do you have to buy another Ferrari to get this Ferrari?
They guarantee nothing and no dates, and 2027 rolls around, and you got to go in there and shake some hands, and then they'll be like, we might let you buy one. Mm-hmm. And then they're like, not Justin Bieber though, not. Or was it him they were pissed at, or it must have been
Nancat? Who was that guy?
Oh, Deadmau5. Deadmau5 they were mad at. But I feel like more recently we did a clip, they were mad at Justin Bieber because he modded his to the extent that they're like, you're done. We're done with you. We're Ferrari and we're done with you.
Enzo's mad.
And Bieber's like, I have a feeling I'll get another one if I want it. Shout out Crispy Wren.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Looks great.
Yeah, I'll take it. I just don't want to pay $400,000. So I'll give you $40,000 for it.
Gotcha. Sold.